Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn some interesting information about Pakistan. The first question is, what was the old name of PIA? PIA का पुराना नाम क्या था? The answer is Orient Airways. Here are some details. PIA was founded on 29 October 1946 as Orient Airways and was initially based in Kolkata, British India, before shifting operations to the newly independent state of Pakistan in 1947. Orient Airways was nationalized to form the Pakistan. Question 2. In which year Pakistan became a republic? पाकिस्तान किस साल जमहूरिया बना? The answer is 1956. Here is some detail. The Pakistan became republic on 23rd March 1956. Question number 3. According to population, which is the largest city in Pakistan? आबादी के लिहाज से पाकिस्तान का सबसे बड़ा शहर कौन सा है? The answer is Karachi. Karachi is the biggest city in Pakistan, carrying a population of over 14.9 million people. It spreads out over an area of more than 3780 square kilometers. Next question, please. Where is the biggest shoes factory in Pakistan? पाकिस्तान में जूतों की सबसे बड़ी फैक्ट्री कहाँ है? The answer is Lahore. Some details are here. Bata Pakistan is the leading and the largest manufacturer of footwear in Pakistan. They were established over 65 years and are a large exporting company in Pakistan. Next question, please. Who designed Pakistan's national flag? पाकिस्तान का कौमी परचम किसने डिज़ाइन किया? The right answer is Ameer Ud Khidwai. Next question, please. What is the national flower of Pakistan? पाकिस्तान का कौमी फूल कौन सा है? The answer is Jasmine. Jasmine is the national flower of Pakistan. Next question, please. Which is the national animal of Pakistan? पाकिस्तान का कौमी जानवर कौन सा है? The right answer is Markhor. Details are here. The Markhor is the largest of the goat family and is commonly found in the northern areas of Pakistan. Next question, please. Which is the national bird of Pakistan? पाकिस्तान का कौमी परिंदा कौन सा है? The answer is Chakor. Some details are here. The Chakor is the official national bird of Pakistan. You can see the picture of the Chakor. Next question, please. Which is the national game of Pakistan? पाकिस्तान का कौमी खेल कौन सा है? The right answer of this question is hockey. The national game of Pakistan is hockey. Next question. Where is the tomb of Mughal Emperor Jahangir? मुग़ल बादशाह जहांगीर का मकबरा कहाँ है? Answer is Lahore. Some details are here. The tomb of Jahangir is located in Shadra, a suburb of Lahore to the northwest of the city. Next question, please. Where is the biggest lake of Pakistan? पाकिस्तान की सबसे बड़ी झील कहाँ है? The answer of this question is Lake Manchar. Detail is Manchar is the largest natural freshwater lake in Pakistan and is one of the South Asia's largest. It is located west of the Indus River in Jamshoro district and Dadu district, Sindh, 18 km away from Sehwan Sharif. Next question, please. Who wrote Tarana-e-Pakistan? पाकिस्तान का कौमी तराना किसने लिखा? The answer is Hafeez Jallandhari. Hafeez Jallandhari wrote Tarana-e-Pakistan. Next question, please. In which constitution Urdu was declared as the national language of Pakistan? किस आईन में उर्दू को पाकिस्तान की कौमी ज़ुबान करार दिया गया? It also promises to make it the official language of the state. Next question, please. Pakistan bought Gwadar from which country in 1958? पाकिस्तान ने 1958 में गवादर किस मुल्क से ख़रीदा था? The answer is Oman. Some details over here. On 8th September 1958, Pakistan purchased the Gwadar enclave from Oman. Gwadar officially became part of Pakistan on the 8th of December 1958. What are the northern regions of Pakistan called? पाकिस्तान के शुमाली इलाके क्या कहलाते हैं? The answer is third pole of the world. That's it for the today. I hope you like this session. Please comment about the session. Subscribe our channel for interesting content. Thanks for watching and don't forget to give a thumbs up. Press like and bell button. Allah Hafiz.